Woo woo! You know it! It's puppet combo time. So this is Power Drill Massacre. I'm going to crap myself. Yo, lock in. Lock in. You said, oh yeah, this GG's is a good one. This might have nudity.
No comment about
Twitch, I'm sorry if it has nudity. I don't know. I don't know, like, I have no idea. Even if it has nudity, I'll look away quickly because there's no nudity setting, and usually these games have nudity setting if it does have nudity. I'm gonna crap myself, bro. Megan, this is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. Just be careful, there's partial nudity in posters. And they might have censored for the bodies. It's getting dark, better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Why is this so, high gamma? Oh, there we go, it fixed up. If it has nudity, I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so we've... Oh my gosh, this is difficult to... It's difficult to, operate. Okay, so we go to the trunk. Looks like we brought a flashlight with us. Will you pick up a flashlight? Yep. Give me that. Nice. Is there anything else we need? I don't think so. Alright, we out. I think you'll be good, just avoid looking at posters. Alright, bet. See you less. I don't like that. I don't like that intro, bro. What do you even do in this situation? In a car crash, middle of the woods, you don't know who's out here. See me, bro? I don't know what I would do. These are literally horror game scenarios. I heard something, bro. Like a squirrel, like, threw an acorn at us or something. But it is also terrifying. What? What? Where are we? Don't tell me this is the spot we're gonna be looking at, bro. Or like trying to survive from. This has to be the spot. This place is massive. Okay. Alright, up the stairs. Go up. Go up. I gotta get used to the controls, because if we're running from somebody, I gotta get used to the controls. Alright, should we go up the, should we find like a strategical advantage route? Alright, so the car crash is over there. We quite literally walked almost a mile, I would assume. Hold on, chat. You gotta lick the tip of your finger and feel the wind. You gotta feel the wind. You gotta feel the wind. Gotta really try and survive this. The door is open. Go inside. We have no choice. It's getting dark outside. There's bears. What a creepy building. Shoo, y'all. We're cooked. Oh, we are so cooked. We are beyond cooked, y'all. I feel the wind coming inside me. And we got locked inside. GG's, y'all. GG's. We're cooked, y'all. We're cooked. We're cooked. See, now we're cooked, y'all. I see something shining in this room, but I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Boys, it gets so dark. Hold on, why is there frame drop? Guys, it gets so dark when the flashlight's not looking. The search continues for 2 missing campers in Pocono Mountain. Y'all can't tell, bro. I'm talking a lot because I'm so nervous right now. I'm beyond shook. I don't even... We're just running. We got lost. We're lost. Wait, no, we're not. I heard something break. Run! Go! I knew I heard something, bro. Run! Live. Upstairs, go. Run. We're cooked. Chat, we're cooked. If he comes up here, we're cooked. It's over. It's actually over. Another newspaper. Bro, I don't care about the newspaper articles, bro. I don't care. We're cooked, y'all. The moment we go down there, we're cooked. It's over. It's actually GG's, y'all. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm terrified. Okay, so he's that way, so I'm gonna go this way. How about that? Easy as that. We're not going down Sugar Tunnel anymore, because he's by Sugar Tunnel. Cutscene? Oh, we got teleported. Hello? Guys, is there any way to beat this, or do you just die? Is that just the ending? We die forever. Is that always the outcome, or can we actually, like, live? He could be behind us, I wouldn't know. We're dead. I hate you! Some games are not meant to be beat, bro. Okay. Wait. The more we play, the more I learn. So, we learn I can hear his footsteps. And we have our inventory still. Okay, so it's not the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. We have our inventory still. And we have full health. Alright, so they're not too cruel on us when we die. Great. The worst part about dying is the scare. Please don't attack me now. I just found something. Don't you dare attack me now. This way? Yes! We need one more key, y'all, and we're good. One more key and we're good. One more key and we're home free, y'all. Okay, so this is where I saw someone running. Alright. He's here. He's... One more key, bro. And we're home. Home free. One more key. And I'll be happy. That is... I don't know. That the blue key would be in the basement. Now the challenging part of that is we die. Or could die. If we're not careful. Now... I hear him. Rush it. Rush basement. I'm assuming... Wait, is this... Oh, he's coming! No, I'm dead. That was fun. That was fun. Dude, I'm sweating. That was freaking terrifying. I don't want to do that again.